Okay, okay. So today is my soursop recipe day. So I'm gonna make, there's so much different way of making your soursop juice, and I'm gonna give you two recipe in one today. So here I have my grater, my Guinness, my Dragon, vanilla, Magnum, Supplegen, sweetened condensed milk, okra, peanut, raw peanut, nutmeg. That's my nutmeg. Lime or lemon, soursop, so what I do, first thing, I get my soursop and I remove the skin from it. Yeah. So some people do it with the skin, blend everything. You can blend it, you can just juice it with your hands. I just remove the skin and I juiced it, put it in a pot, pour water and I juice it. That's my soursop. See, it's fully ripe. Yeah. So that's what it looks like. I remove the skin. After removing the skin, I put it in a pot with water and I juiced, squeeze it. I squeeze it, then strain it off. When I strain off my soursop, this is it. This is what I already strained off. Rich, creamy. This is 4 big soursop. 4 big size soursop, so I did very rich. So for my first recipe, this is one of my favorite. All straight, natural soursop juice. I finished with this, I was just demonstrating the way I do it, so I can put this out of the way. Straight, natural soursop juice. I have my lemon. I squeeze my lemon inside. I stirred. That's one quick and easy recipe for soursop juice. That's one quick and easy way for soursop juice. Soursop is very healthy for the human body. You can Google health benefit of soursop. I can even tell you some of the stuff it's good for. I squeeze a lime inside of it, put it in the fridge to chill, or serve it with ice. It's very good. You can add sugar if you want to. Some people add honey, some people add sugar, some people add molasses. I love it like this. Okay, so that's one quick and easy recipe for soursop. Next recipe now is, this is my soursop juice. Peanut, I already blend. Okra, I chop okra in the blender and peel, and I blend them. Give it another spin. Okay, so this is my okra and my peanut blend together. Yeah, thick up in the back. That's okra and peanut. Then these are Guinness optional Dragon Magnum. You can use one of these. You don't have to use both. You can use whichever one of your choice. Mine, I love to put rum cream in mine. I don't have rum cream now, but making mine, I like to pour rum cream inside. So for today, I'm going to use a Dragon Stout. You can't get a bottle Guinness, you get a Dragon Stout. whichever one you feel comfortable using. That's my dragon stout inside. So I won't be using the Guinness because I use the dragon. Okay, chopped okra and peanut is already inside. I move this out. My Magnum tonic wine. Supplegen. This is optional. People who don't like milk product, you don't have to put these inside. People who don't like alcohol, you don't have to put those inside. But I'm just showing you the real big punch. What it's like. Vanilla. Based on the amount of juice you have, tell you the amount of vanilla you need. So I have a huge, it's a lot I have there. So I get a tablespoon, clean my spoon a little, yeah. I get a tablespoon and I put 1 big spoon and a little bit. Okay. Okay. Sweetened condensed milk. Don't do this at home. Get a proper can opener. Then my nutmeg. Get my grater and I put some nutmeg. One more thing, a pinch of salt, just a little pinch of salt. And then quick and easy. That's my soursop recipe. Guavanola is the name for soursop in India. Soursop, based on where around the world you are. In Africa, they call it apple. Yeah. In Ghana, it's a form of apple. In Congo, I forget the Congolese name. In India, it's gavanola. In the Caribbean, they call it soursop. So that's the way to prepare your juice. Then you put it in the fridge to chill. You can have it just like this. You can put it in the fridge. You can serve it with ice. Okay. You can even break this thing. You can just break it and heat it. That's my favorite way. This is the way for the people who need their soursop punch. So you can call that a soursap punch. So as I said, I put the dragon and the magnum. If you want, you can also add the Guinness. That's if you want to add it to it. It's a choice of yours. For me, I had rum cream to it. But this one I showed you, with just the lemon, this is for me. Yeah. That's for me, and this is for you guys out there, yeah. This is for you people out there who work hard. But I'll satisfy with this one and give you that one. So please subscribe, like, and make your comment. Thanks. See you next time in the next video.